You're welcome to the health segment of the news brought to you by Lufat from Tobinco. The nominated women's representative to Kenya's Senate, Senator Gloria Owoba, has re-echoed the calls for government to commit to an efficient menstrual health management and enact a law to back it. She maintains that such laws will define the roles of the various institutions critical to menstrual health management in the country. Ms. Owoba was a special guest at the engagement with adolescents on menstruation and menstrual hygiene held in Accra. It was organized by the Mamobi General Hospital and the Ayawaso North Municipal Education Directorate in collaboration with UNICEF.
Empowering girls and women with accurate information about menstruation and menstrual hygiene is critical in breaking stigma and taboos around the subject. Educating the girl child on menstruation and menstrual hygiene promotes a healthy attitude towards the experience and enable girls and women to manage their periods with confidence and in dignity. In Ghana, it is estimated that over 7 million girls and women menstruate. Majority of the girls do not have accurate information on menstruation before their first period. Again, 1 out of every 4 public schools does not have access to sanitation facilities where girls may have space to change. For this reason, 9 out of 10 girls are likely to miss school during their periods, which has negative impact on their learning and retention in school. This is why as many adolescents as possible, both males and females, are being educated on menstruation and menstrual hygiene management. The engagement was organized by the Ayawaso North Municipal Education Directorate, the Mamobi General Hospital, and UNICEF.
Without periods, there would be nobody on this planet. So we must safeguard our girls, and we have to support our girls. Boys, you have to support the girls when they are having their periods.
The nominated women's representative to Kenya's Senate, Senator Gloria Owoba, encouraged the boys to support their female colleagues during their menstrual period. Speaking to GBC News, Senator Owoba threw a challenge to the government to demonstrate its commitment to menstrual health management by enacting a law.
As a country, I think you have to be committed, and not just committed to the one day, the May 28th menstrual hygiene day, but committed to policies. There has to be a formulation of a menstrual hygiene management policy, which we have in Kenya. The policy guides all the institutions on how to deal with menstruation and the management of the same. There has to be commitment to that. There definitely has to be commitment on legislation. When I talk about legislation, we're not only talking about provision of sanitary towels. Government has to commit to start a program to provide free sanitary towels to school-going girls as well as women. That commitment is needed, and it has to be stamped in legislation so that it's not the goodwill of whichever government is in place. When you have it in law, it's in law. And I think most importantly, there has to be commitment on behavioral change. And this is revolving around the shaming, the stigma. There has to be a way that as a country, you begin to have these conversations. And I'm glad to see that. That's why today I'm happy to be here, because the conversations have begun, they are loud enough, and we just need to sustain that advocacy around that.
Students from the College of Nurses and Midwives gave illustrations on how to wear and dispose of sanitary pads. The basic students were all given sanitary pads as gifts. Cyril Furi, GBC News, Accra.